Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me. This is the Joy of Blue Collab. Once a month on the 12th, we come out with something that we made or created or decorated that has blue. Be sure to take a look at the other videos. You can follow the hashtag and see the other collaborators and what they did. It might not even be paper crafting. You may see all sorts of cool new things. For this month, I was inspired by this stamp set that Kathy sent me. And then I had this stamp set that I still hadn't used that I think Kathleen sent me way back in July. And I thought, okay, I'm going to play with these. So I got out a variety of things to stamp on that I thought I would actually use in journals. And I did make a process video. I stamped here and here, so you can kind of see how these things came together and the logic. This is a cute little envelope that I thought would be great in a travel journal because it has a bit of a cluster here with a map on it. So if you want to see how these things came together and how I decided to layer them up, new sticker book too, then that video will be out midweek and it'll be quite a bit longer and me talking through, and you'll see almost everything in there. These were journal cards and I was just trying to make them different. So this one I used positive vibes from the little tiny sentiments, and then flowers, and then some flowers that Kathy sent me a long time ago, Stampin' Cat. And I put the poppy on here with, I don't know, are those poppy-ish? They might be roses. This one I stamped on this side because I had ink all over it. Dreams come a size too big so we can grow into them, and then I've got some plant stuff around it. I was creating things for my nature journals, I think. I mean, you never know if that's really where I'm going to put them. Look how this one turned out. Special things in life, and then I used a bunch of flowers around the bottom. And then again, that stamp from Kathy. And this one was a stamp from Kathy, and then I added bliss in this big bold font so it could stand up to the colors. And then a sticker from the book, and you'll see that sticker book in the other video. Then after that video was over, the process video, I decided to take a piece of this wallpaper that Emily sent me, and I made a journal cover. I think maybe this could be a nature journal cover because it's a lighter blue and it's sort of floral. It also might make a really cool beachy one, especially if I put something on the front to bring in the sand color. It's not crisp white. It's not cream, but it's not like white. So I think that lends itself to those items pretty well, and I just couldn't resist these wallpapers that Emily sent me. Get out some blue, play with it. You can join us each month on the 12th and use the hashtag if you'd like, Instagram or YouTube. I hope that you are taking time for crafting and relaxing and really taking good care of yourself. Zeus and I played in the yard all day. We had one dry day and we played and now we're tired. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.